This is a short introductory video on using Mymaths. First of all, open one of your browsers and in the address bar type in www.mymaths.co.uk. This will take you to the main Mymaths screen that looks like this. At the top there are some tabs and things that you can read about. There's some demos and other information. You can't really access anything more than that here. When you're ready, you can log in with the college's login up in this top right hand corner. Our username is ACC and the password will be given to you by your tutor. Clicking go will take you to the main screen. Here there's an area where you can use your personal login to log in with. There's a set of area topics on the left hand side, and then you see different topics and lessons and homework in the middle page. You can click through these topics and see all the different areas covered. Each one has a lesson and homework. On the right hand side, everything's filtered. I would leave it as everything or on foundation. When you're ready to do a lesson, you just click on the area you want to cover and click on lesson. It will open the lesson in a new tab as it's done here, or in a new window. Each of the lessons is split into different pages and it shows you in the front index what's going to be involved, and there's some objectives. When you're ready to start, just click on the first page. Here we can also get it to talk to us as well. If you're not sure what's going on, you can always go back and look at the index. If you need a calculator, there's one available and you can use that. And if you're not happy with the white background, you can always change it to a different colour using the overlay button. At the bottom of some of the screens, there's a next button. Clicking on this takes you through different sections of that page. Just work your way through each section until the next button disappears, and then move on to the next page. Work your way through the lesson, clicking on each of the pages in turn and working through it until you get to the end. When you finish the lesson, you can close the tab or the window and go back to the main screen. Back at the main screen, you can actually access your own homework by typing in your own username and password. Again, that should be given to you by your tutor. When you log in, it takes you straight to your homework area. There's results and resources still, and you can get back to the library with all the other information. But let's just concentrate on the homework screen to start with. As you can see, this naughty person's got some overdue homework, or he's got some homework set for him by the tutor. You can either do the lesson first if you're not sure what's involved, or you can just go straight to the homework. Again, this will open in a new tab or a new screen, and you just work through the two questions that are involved. So here we're going to do 8 and 8, 4, carry 1, 9, 8, 4, 8. You can see I've done something deliberately wrong there, hopefully. 2, 7, carry 1, 9. When you've completed it, you click on Mark It, and it will show you which ones you've got right, and it will also show you which ones you've got wrong. When you finish the first question, click on the second question, do the answers, do the other ones, click Mark It, and then it says your scores have been saved. You need to click the checkout button and it shows you how you've done. You can always try it again if you're not sure. It will give you as many tries as you like. And actually going back in it again, it will give you different questions, which is always a good way to do things. You're not getting the same questions over and over again. Here we can't use the calculator, and then it will show you your total score. So when you've finished, you can click on the tab just to get rid of it, and we're done. If you go back up to your results, it would show you what results you've had. Here I've got quite a few. You can do the lesson and the homework again if you need to, or you can rate your homework, giving it a nice smiley, or you're not happy with the score, and it gives you a smiley star or a red star if you're not doing very well. If you don't want to do the homework, want to concentrate on doing something different from the homework, you can always go into here and pick a lesson and homework to do, even if it's not been set for you. Once you've done this homework, it will keep the score so that you and your tutor can see how you've done. Again, you can do it as many times as you like, and it will keep the best score. When you've finished, you can just log out and it takes you back to the main screen. And then log out again. And then we've finished. Back to the main screen again. Like all things, it's good to try and use it, mess about with it, see what happens, and if you've got any problems, I would contact your tutor and maybe they can help you.